Hey guys, it's Kashif and welcome back to the Test Prep Pundits SAT Bootcamp. Last time we solved this question here involving the variation of the boiling point of water based on how far above sea level we are, and I asked you to solve this question involving cooking oats. Let's go through this question. A container of oats recommends cooking O cups of oats in W cups of water according to the formula W is equals to 3 by 2 O plus 1 by 2. How many cups of water are recommended to cook 4 cups of oats? The equation they've given us basically tells us how many cups of water we need to cook 4 cups of oats. They've asked us how many cups of water we need to cook 4 cups of oats. So all we need to do is replace O with 4. Here's the equation and we're just going to put 4 in place of O. W is equal to 3 by 2 times 4 plus 1 by 2. This is going to be, W is going to be equals to 2 is going to cancel out. 6 plus 1 by 2. This is 6.5, which means to cook 4 cups of oats, we're going to need 6.5 cups of water. And option C is 6.5. So the correct answer to this question is option C. Try and solve this question here, and I'll show you how to do it in the next